Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to City Health Clinic. How can I help you today?
I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Of course. Do you have an appointment with us?
No, I don't. I was hoping to get a walk in consultation. Is that possible today?
Yes, absolutely. We do accept walk-in patients in the morning. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, my name is Karthik.
Thank you, Karthik. And is this your first visit to our clinic, or have you been here before?
It's my first time here.
All right. We'll need to create a new patient profile for you. Could you tell me briefly what the issue is?
I've been having a headache since yesterday. It's been persistent, so I thought it's better to get it checked.
That's a good decision. I'll have you fill out a short registration form. You'll need to provide your name, age, date of birth, contact number, address, and a brief description of your symptoms.
All right. Do I need to carry any previous medical records?
If you have any, it's always helpful to bring them along. But since this is a new complaint, you should be fine without them.
Okay, understood. Here's the completed form.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Dr. Ramesh is available this morning. The waiting time should be around 10 to 15 minutes. Please take a seat in the waiting area and a nurse will call you when the doctor is ready.
Thank you so much.
Karthik?
Yes, that's me.
The doctor will see you now. Please follow me to room 3.
Thank you.
Just a routine check before you go in. Your blood pressure is 118/76. That's perfectly normal. And your temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, no fever. The doctor will see you in just a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, please come in. Have a seat.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Ramesh, and you are Karthik, correct?
Yes, that's right.
All right, Karthik. So, what brings you in today? Tell me what you've been experiencing.
I've been having a headache since yesterday morning. It started slowly, but by the evening it became quite uncomfortable. I slept hoping it would go away, but it's still there this morning.
I see. Can you describe the pain a little more? Is it sharp and stabbing or more of a dull, constant pressure?
It's more of a dull, constant pressure. Not sharp, but it doesn't go away.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the intensity?
I'd say around a 5 or 6. It's moderate uncomfortable, but I can still function.
That helps. And where exactly do you feel the pain? Is it all over your head or in a specific area?
Mostly at the front, around the forehead area. Sometimes it extends to just behind my eyes.
Okay. Has the pain been there continuously, or does it come and go?
It's been pretty much continuous since yesterday. It was a bit better when I woke up, but it came back within an hour.
Let me ask you about some associated symptoms. Do you have any fever or chills?
No fever. The nurse also confirmed that just now,
Good. Any nausea or vomiting?
no, nothing like that.
What about sensitivity to light or sound? For example, does bright light make the headache worse?
Actually, yes, a little. Looking at my laptop screen today has been slightly uncomfortable.
All right. Any blurred vision or double vision?
No, my vision seems fine.
Have you had any stiffness in your neck?
No, not really.
And do you feel dizzy or lightheaded at all?
Not dizzy exactly, but I do feel a bit tired and drained.
Let me ask you about your daily routine. How has your sleep been lately?
Honestly, not great. I've been sleeping quite late, usually past midnight, and waking up early for work.
How many hours of sleep are you getting on average?
Probably around 4 to 5 hours. I know it's not enough.
That's significantly below the recommended 7 to 8 hours for an adult. Chronic sleep deprivation is actually one of the most common triggers for tension headaches. Your brain and body don't get enough time to repair themselves overnight.
I suspected that might be a factor.
Now, what kind of work do you do?
I work in IT. I spend most of my day on a laptop, easily 8 to 10 hours of screen time daily.
And do you take regular breaks while working?
Not really. I get so caught up in tasks that I sometimes go 3 or 4 hours without stepping away from the screen.
That's very important to address. Prolonged screen exposure causes something called digital eye strain, which leads to eye fatigue and frontal headaches, exactly the kind you're describing. There's a useful technique called the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. It gives your eye muscles a much-needed break.
That's a great tip. I've heard of it, but never actually followed it.
How about your meals? Are you eating on time?
Not always. When I'm busy, I sometimes skip lunch, and breakfast is usually just a coffee.
Skipping meals, especially breakfast, causes your blood sugar to drop, which is another well-known headache trigger. Your brain runs on glucose, and when it doesn't get a steady supply, it signals distress in the form of pain.
I didn't realize skipping meals could directly cause headaches.
It's very common. And how much water are you drinking throughout the day?
Probably 2 to 3 glasses. I know I should drink more.
You should be aiming for at least 8 to 10 glasses, roughly 2.5 to 3 liters per day. Even mild dehydration reduces blood flow to the brain and causes headaches. Given your symptoms, dehydration is likely a contributing factor here.
So basically, I've been doing everything wrong. Poor sleep, too much screen time, skipping meals, and not drinking enough water.
Well, you've identified the issues. That's the first step. Let's fix them one by one. Let me ask a few more questions. Do you have any history of migraines in the past?
No, I've never been officially diagnosed with migraines.
Any family history of migraines or chronic headaches?
Not that I'm aware of.
Are you currently taking any medications, prescription, or over-the-counter?
No, I haven't taken anything.
Good. Any known allergies to medications?
No allergies.
All right. I'd like to do a quick physical examination. Any tenderness here?
Slight tenderness at the front, yes.
Everything checks out normally. No signs of infection, no neurological red flags. This is consistent with what we call a tension-type headache, the most common type of headache, typically caused by muscle tightness in the head and neck region, combined with lifestyle triggers.
So it's not something serious?
No, it is not serious at all. It's very common, especially among working professionals who spend long hours at a desk. However, if left unaddressed, meaning if your habits don't change, these headaches can become chronic and more frequent. I'll prescribe a mild pain reliever along with a vitamin supplement, but honestly, the medicine is secondary. Lifestyle changes are the real cure here.
Understood. What exactly should I be doing differently?
Let me be specific. First, sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Try to maintain a consistent sleep and wake time, even on weekends. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed.
Okay.
Second, hydration. Start your morning with a full glass of water before anything else. Keep a water bottle on your desk as a visual reminder throughout the day.
That's a simple habit I can build.
Third, meals. Don't skip breakfast. Even something light, a banana, an egg, or a small bowl of oats is enough to stabilize your blood sugar. Have lunch at a fixed time.
I'll make sure of that.
And fourth, screen breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rule I mentioned. Also, adjust your monitor brightness. Keep it at eye level. And if possible, use blue light filtering glasses.
I've been meaning to get blue light glasses. I'll do that soon. How should I take the medicine you're prescribing?
I'm giving you a mild painkiller, 1 tablet after food, twice a day, morning and evening. Take it with a full glass of water. Do not take it on an empty stomach.
For how many days?
3 days should be enough. If the headache goes away before that, you can stop. Don't continue unnecessarily.
How long should it take before I feel better?
You should notice significant improvement within 24 to 48 hours, especially once you start sleeping and hydrating better.
And if it doesn't improve?
If the headache persists beyond 3 days, becomes more severe, or if you develop new symptoms like vomiting, vision changes, or a very stiff neck, come back immediately. Those would be signs we need to investigate further.
That's good to know. I'll keep an eye on it.
Also, I'd suggest reducing caffeine gradually if you're drinking a lot of coffee. Caffeine withdrawal can actually trigger headaches too.
I do drink 3 to 4 cups a day. I'll try cutting back slowly.
Good idea. Here's your prescription. You can collect the medicine from our pharmacy downstairs. Any other questions for me?
I think I'm good, doctor. This has been really helpful. I understand the cause much better now.
That's the goal. Remember, the best medicine is prevention. Small daily habits make a big difference. Take care of yourself, Karthik.
Thank you so much, doctor. I really appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Take care and feel better soon.
Alright, learners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Also, let me know which type of conversation you would like to hear in the next video. Thanks for watching.